Hello everybody! Halloween is on the way, so today I'm going to create skeleton spider stand. You can download more skeleton animals on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need glue, sandpaper and nail file, brushes and acrylic paints. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. I do this to all parts of the design. After that, I paint the base of the spider in gray so that it is white paint will look better. Then I paint all the parts that are needed in black. I try to carefully paint over all the details. Then I take a marker with red acrylic paint and paint over the heart with it. You can do it in any way convenient for you. After that, I apply white paint to all the details that I had previously painted in gray. The next step, I start to assemble the design. I apply glue to the back of the main design and glue it to the white part, carefully so as not to spoil the painted surface. Then I glue all the decorative details to the spider. With the last step, I glue the two parts of the base to each other, and I insert the spider into the stand. After that, I check if the main design fits into the stand. If it doesn't, I carefully file the edges with a nail file to make assembly easier. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. New video every Tuesday and Friday. You can download more skeleton animals on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month.